Hi, this is Sarah Merard, the Mortgage Mom. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, what you can expect is home buying tips, mortgage tips, things along the process that, most people don't know because they've only done it a couple of times in their life. And then also I'm a mom, so I like to share stories of things that have happened. I have a toddler at this moment, and I know there's a lot of moms and parents out there that could share in the fun, if you will. So that's what you can expect. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make any comments. I'd love to hear your advice, your feedback on this video. So today, what I'm going to talk about is how to calculate your monthly mortgage payment. So a lot of people who are first-time home buyers or haven't done this don't really know. All they know is going on Zillow and looking at the purchase price. But how do you turn that into a monthly payment? So that's what I'm here for. So we're going to just use some average prices so that, it makes things mathematically easy. But for accuracy purposes, I wrote all these numbers down for you guys so that I can be as accurate as possible. So let's say you're using a purchase price of $275,000, and we're putting 5% down. 5% down would be $13,750. Okay. So you take that from the purchase price, and that's your loan amount. So your loan amount would be $261,250. So we're going to be using that for your mortgage payment. Okay. So average mortgage rates, it's really hard to say. But right now, let's just use, somebody with an average of a 750 credit score, and using 5% down, you're going to be getting around 6%. And in previous videos, we've talked about how to buy that rate down a little bit lower, but that's not what this is for. So we're just going to use an average of 6%. So without having a specific property that we're talking about, it's hard to get an exact monthly payment. So we try to get as close as we possibly can. So we have your loan amount and we have your interest. So that calculated is your principal and interest part of the mortgage payment. Okay. So then you get into the the insurance and taxes. Okay. So we're going to break that down. So on average, a $275,000 home has about $3,000 in an annual tax amount. So for your mortgage payment, we break that down into 12 different payments. So that would be $250 a month added to your mortgage payment. Okay. And then the insurance, you have to have homeowners insurance. So we're going to use an average of $1,500 annually, which would put your payment of $125. Okay. So we're going to use your principal and interest. Then we're going to talk about taxes and then your insurance, your homeowner's insurance. So that would make your total payment $2,138.35. Okay. So when you're talking to your loan officer, you want to talk about what that monthly payment looks like, because sometimes people just really don't know how to break that down. And they're just looking, like I said earlier, on Zillow for, different houses that they love that they may or may not be able to afford. So we want to look at your financial monthly budget. That way we can fit in this mortgage payment, and then we back it up from there. So every time I talk to someone who's looking to get pre-approved, that's one of the first questions I ask them is what is in your monthly budget that you can afford? Because I can tell you based on your income documents, but sometimes that's more than what you're comfortable with paying. Because when we calculate your income from the mortgage perspective, we use your gross monthly income. That means that we're not using after taxes are taken out, if you have 401k, health insurance, all that kind of stuff. We're looking at the gross income. So sometimes people get pre-approved for a lot more than what they actually feel comfortable with for the monthly payment. So that's how you calculate it. There's three things, just to reiterate. First is your principal and interest, then your homeowner's insurance, and your taxes. And all three of those make up your monthly mortgage payment. So follow me for more tips. Hit that subscribe, comment if you have any other questions on how to do that. At firstintegrity.com, we have mortgage calculators that you can actually just play around with that are super helpful to be able to see what that monthly budget looks like for you. So again, like and subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.